Exploration. When faced with uncertainty, curiosity sparks.
When confronted with the greatest of challenges, we must innovate.
The exploration of space requires cutting-edge technology, and NASA believes that augmented reality is an effective tool to help astronauts explore.
Here at the University of Michigan, we have already used augmented reality in surgical simulation training, nuclear reactor labs, and architecture and urban planning.
At CLAWS, we hope to bring AR to space. Our multidisciplinary team of student researchers, designers, and engineers come from a wide variety of majors. Our work centers around the NASA Suit Challenge, where we create AR interfaces that support astronauts on lunar missions, paving the way for future space exploration.
The software system that we designed for our HoloLens is NOVA, the navigational, observational, and visual aid for astronauts.
NOVA will assist astronauts by providing them with easy access to mission-critical information, aiding them in navigation, and also helping them keep track of mission tasks. Furthermore, CLAWS aims to create a fully functional and complete simulation of an astronaut EVA, involving not just one astronaut, but multiple astronauts. Thus, in addition to developing our AR software NOVA, we are also developing a website that will serve as the Mission Control Center and a hardware component called Luna, the light unit and navigational aid for astronauts.
Our design decisions are based on interviews with former astronauts, academic research, and past experience. We've learned that astronauts have highly limited arm mobility in spacesuits. Thus, NOVA has been designed in such a way that users will be able to interact solely through eye gaze and voice command with Vega, NOVA's AI voice assistant. With eye gaze, users will be able to select buttons on menus simply by looking at them, and with Vega, users will have the flexibility to ask any question or say any command.
The AR team is dedicated to make the vision come to life.
We're a team of 12 developers. We work with Unity and Microsoft Mixed Reality Toolkit to help bring NOVA to the HoloLens 2.
Implementing AR HUD front-end features.
Integrate them with MCC, Vega, and Luna,
as well as test and iterate the deployed product.
We are the research team. We design and develop experiments to conduct academic research about extended reality and space.
As researchers, we test our team's interface and astronaut usability,
review and present existing literature on XR technology,
secure federal funding and research grants for our studies,
educate students on campus and at national conferences about space and XR.
We are the business team. We spearhead all recruitment initiatives in order to assemble a top-tier team of students to represent the University of Michigan at NASA. That includes overseeing all finances, regulating operational budgets, and orchestrating outreach events in order to ignite the passion for STEM and space exploration in the younger generation.
The UX team designs NOVA using research derived from astronauts to create an augmented reality interface. Our interaction system is built to best suit the needs of a person doing an EVA on the lunar surface while prioritizing autonomy and safety.
We conducted user research by interviewing former NASA astronauts to understand their pain points.
Designing AR interface and ensure AR implemented spacesuit that astronaut needs.
And also perform usability tests to validate our design and integrate with Vega and Luna.
The Vega team works on virtual assistant for astronauts.
Astronauts can talk directly to Vega and give commands.
We are the hardware team, and we designed Luna referencing the suits of previous astronauts and rovers which have successfully completed geocaching missions.
We develop hardware components for AR and UI/UX interface and ensure AR implementation suits the astronauts' needs.
We perform usability tests to validate hardware, and we integrate with Vega and NOVA.
We are the web development team. We are responsible for designing and developing Mission Control Center. Although we are small, we are a powerful team of 5 programmers working with JavaScript and React.
We configure the backend infrastructure and the database and establish communication between the astronauts and the Mission Control Center.
We also monitor astronaut vitals, tests, and additional data.
On top of that, we alert the astronauts of any important changes.
Did you know that the Apollo 15 mission consisted of an all-Michigan alumni crew? While they left a document at the moon establishing a lunar branch of Michigan's Alumni Association.
This club rests on the foundation of innovation, founded by students for students. CLAWS is an all-inclusive space for all its members, giving them a chance to experience industry-level, end-to-end project development. The future of space exploration is rife, and as our name states, we strive not to only contribute, but also advance work in space.